languages may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is recommended.
PG pa.
People of the Philippines, especially people here in Butuan City,
Unsa?
Butuan City, slow down. Men at work. Exit and entrance. No parking. Because
Pagkauwa mo lang. Eh naman na sa highway, signboard mo na.
Oh, nagani ko'y balak nimo English, balak English ka ng poem.
Para ako?
Oh, syempre.
Salamat na eh.
Pinangga, biyati ka. Roses are reds, violets are blue. Every time I flush the toilet, I remember you.
Kasi pagtuloy mo sa kunaw, inidoro.
Dili,
Unsa man?
kanang galuta.